So this is a tutorial for Mels Steve matrix, which is obviously Mels' variation of a matrix. Hopefully it's going to look a little something like this. So you can see it's not quite a full matrix. It's placed on into a matrix, and so you don't have to have the same level of flexibility that a normal matrix requires. So we're going to start with Steve. When it gets to this arm, it's going to get placed on the underside as if it just finished off the second half of the matrix. So it's just placed in there, almost like it's going into a Smith. And then once it's done the neck wrap part of the matrix, you take it here like you're taking it into a prayer matrix. But instead, it goes back into the Steve. So the second half looks like that. There. And then the full thing again.